Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can create a form in Airtable, so let's get right into it. As you can see, currently I'm within one of my tables, and I'm going to go and create a form by going to the bottom left and clicking form. As you can see, you can upgrade form building if you want to, or you don't need to if you want. And if you click continue, it's going to create a new form view. Now, as you can see here, you can add several fields over here so that you can, customize your form to whatever you want it to be. You can change the title, you can select the data source. In this case, it's only for subtasks, or one of my tables, which is named subtasks. You can also set up the visible fields if you want to. You can hide them like so, which I will be doing. And as you can see, this is what the form looks like now. You can also show Airtable branding, which is on by default, and you will need to subscribe if you want to remove that. You can also edit the button label, which you also need the premium version for, as well as the redirect to URL as well. So as you can see, all that has this star icon to the left of it needs a premium plan. And you can also change the message for whenever somebody actually fills out a form. You can also click preview to see what the form would look like on its own, and you can click publish form for it to appear as a full form, which you can then share with people. You can embed the form, or you can copy the link. It really depends on your wishes. And as you can see, this is what the form looks like, and that is basically all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.